Hey there, fellow PCOS warrior. Ever feel like your gut's throwing a tantrum while you're battling those pesky PCOS symptoms? Well, you are not alone. Turns out your gut health and PCOS are more connected than you might think. Picture this, 70% of your immune system hangs out in your gut, and up to 40% of us PCOS gals deal with tummy troubles like IBS. But here's the kicker. Improving your gut health could be your secret weapon against PCOS symptoms. Ready to give your gut some TLC and show PCOS who's boss? Let's dive into the world of gut-friendly foods, probiotics, and other tricks to get your belly and hormones back on track. And let's start with the gut PCOS connection, how gut health impacts PCOS. Ever wondered why your tummy troubles might be linked to your PCOS symptoms? It turns out your gut health plays a crucial role in managing PCOS. Let's dive into this fascinating connection. The gut hormone harmony. Your gut is like a bustling city of bacteria, and in PCOS, the city might be a bit out of whack. Research shows that women with PCOS often have less diverse gut bacteria compared to those without the condition. And get this, the higher your androgen levels, those are the pesky male hormones, the less diverse your gut bacteria tend to be. So now from gut to symptoms. Here's where it gets interesting. Up to 40% of women with PCOS also deal with irritable bowel syndrome. That's no coincidence. Your gut health can influence everything from insulin resistance to inflammation, which are key players in PCOS symptoms. Your gut's secret weapon. Did you know that a whopping 70% of your immune system operates out of your gut? That's right, your gut is like a superhero headquarters for your body's defense system. By improving your gut health, you're essentially giving your body a powerful ally in managing PCOS. So let's talk about 5 diet and lifestyle changes to improve gut health with PCOS. Ready to tackle your PCOS symptoms by nurturing your gut? Let's dive into some game-changing strategies that'll have your microbiome doing a happy dance. My first tip is to load up on fiber-rich foods. Boost your gut health by filling your plate with fiber superstars. Think colorful veggies, whole grains, and legumes. These gut-friendly foods feed your beneficial bacteria and help produce those all-important short-chain fatty acids like butyrate. Tip number 2 is embrace fermented foods. Time to get friendly with fermentation. Yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut are packed with probiotics that can help diversify your gut bacteria. Plus, they're delicious additions to your meals. Say yes to soy. Soy foods like tofu and tempeh can be great allies in managing PCOS symptoms. They're not only protein rich, but also contain compounds that may help balance hormones and support gut health. However, soy is genetically modified, so you'll only want to eat soy if it is labeled certified organic. Also, if you have a family history of hormone-dependent cancers, also known as hormone-sensitive cancers, like breast, ovarian, prostate, uterine, or endometrial cancer, then you'll want to limit soy and just have it occasionally, not as a staple in your everyday diet. Or if you have endometriosis, then you'll want to limit soy and only eat it if it is organic to avoid the toxic herbicides and pesticides that are used in genetically modified foods. Tip number 4 is go fish for omega-3s. Reel in the benefits of omega-3 fatty acids by adding fatty fish, chia seeds, or flax seeds to your diet. These healthy fats can help reduce inflammation and support a healthy gut. And my last tip to improve gut health with PCOS is ditch the artificial sweeteners. Your taste buds might love them, but artificial sweeteners can wreak havoc on your gut health. Opt for natural sweeteners in moderation or retain your palate to appreciate less sweetness overall. Natural sweeteners would be organic honey, maple syrup, and coconut sugar. If you prefer to eat a diet without any added sugar, even the natural sweeteners, then you could try monk fruit extract or xylitol. I don't recommend stevia anymore because scientific research studies show that stevia may disrupt levels of healthy gut bacteria, which can contribute to a higher body weight over time. Stevia doesn't kill good bacteria in the gut, but it can lead to a gut imbalance by not allowing bacteria to properly communicate with each other to regulate the body's functions. And since stevia can inhibit good bacterial growth in the gut, it can also cause an imbalance of the microbiota in the vagina, which could lead to bacterial vaginosis and a decrease in libido, which could have a negative impact on your romantic relationships. Now I want to talk about probiotic and prebiotic foods for better gut health. Ready to give your gut microbiome a boost? Let's dive into some delicious ways to nourish those beneficial bacteria. Probiotic foods are an essential addition to your gut health routine. Think tangy yogurt, fizzy kombucha, and crunchy sauerkraut. These fermented goodies deliver live beneficial bacteria straight to your digestive system. But don't forget about prebiotics, the fuel that helps those good bugs thrive. Load up on fiber-rich foods like garlic, onions, and bananas. Resistant starches found in cooled potatoes and rice are another prebiotic powerhouse. For a 1-2 punch, try combining probiotics and prebiotics. How about a yogurt parfait topped with sliced bananas and a drizzle with honey? Or sauerkraut alongside a baked sweet potato. Your gut will thank you. Remember, consistency is key. Aim to include a variety of probiotic and prebiotic foods in your daily diet. Your PCOS symptoms and overall health may just improve as a result of a happier, healthier gut. So there you have it, ladies, the lowdown on gut health and PCOS. Who knew your gut bacteria could play such a big role, right? By focusing on nourishing those little gut buddies with fiber, fermented foods, and probiotics, you might just see some improvements in your PCOS symptoms. Remember, small changes can add up to big results over time. So why not give your gut some extra TLC? Your body and your hormones will thank you. Keep experimenting to find out what works best for you, and don't forget to celebrate the small wins along the way. You've got this. And if you need help with meal planning and eating a healthy diet to prevent vitamin and mineral deficiencies, I have an online nutrition course that has helped many of my PCOS sisters. It has video lessons, handouts, and so much more so that you can lose weight, reduce androgen hormones, start ovulating again, and feel so much better without cutting calories and giving up your favorite foods. The link to this course is in the description box below, so definitely go check it out. My name is Teresa. I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist and a health coach, and I enjoy posting videos about PCOS because it's something that I struggled with for many years of my life. Fortunately, I was able to reverse my PCOS with diet and lifestyle changes, and now my period is completely regular and I ovulate every month. My skin cleared up as well, and I don't get cysts on my ovaries anymore. Subscribe if you want to stay connected with me and see any new videos I post on nutrition to learn how you can achieve your health and wellness goals for muscle gain and weight loss. And if you are a woman dealing with fertility issues, I also specialize in PCOS, endometriosis, and skin issues like acne. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.